The good Cybercat is finally out of the Faraday bag, they say. Tesla has revealed the production form of its Cybertruck EV pickup, revealing what we all feared was true, the single motor. $39,900 Cybertruck isn't happening, and the truck will cost a lot more than many reservation holders originally expected. However, this is trending in the market for inflated car prices. So it was always expected. The Cybertruck will be available exclusively in all-wheel drive with various engine configurations, followed by an entry-level rear-wheel drive version due in 2025. Here are the prices for every drivetrain we know of so far. Tesla Cybertruck price. Tesla has announced pricing for the 3 standard trims, with hints of a wider range of models. Rear wheel. Called rear wheels, the Cybertruck order page says it should have a range of about 250 miles on a charge, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.5 seconds, and will go on sale in 2025. Purchase price $60,990. It also has a top speed of 112 miles per hour and a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds. It is not yet known whether it will spin the rear wheels using a single-wheel drive motor or using a dual-motor rear drive unit from the all-wheel drive models. All-wheel drive. You can upgrade to all-wheel drive for $19,000 by listing an estimated range of 340 miles with a standard battery, 470 miles of extended range, mostly an extra battery. 112 miles per hour top speed, 0 to 60 on the ordering site. 3.9 seconds to mph, 600 horsepower. It also has a towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds and will begin deliveries in 2024. The website also lists a curb weight of 6,603 pounds, 20-inch wheels, 17.44 inches of ground clearance, 120.9 cubic feet of cargo volume. An 18.5-inch interior front touchscreen and a 9.4-inch touchscreen in the second row, seating for 5, an overall height of 70.5 inches and an overall length of 223.7 inches. It also has a maximum charging speed of 250 kilowatts and a range of 136 miles on a 15-minute charge. Cyberbeast. The top of the Cybertruck lineup is the so-called Cyberbeast model, which claims 320 miles with the standard package or 440 miles with the extended range setup, a top speed of 130 miles per hour, and a claimed 0 to 60 mph time of 2.6 seconds, Inc. Rollout, Tesla notes, and 845 horsepower. It could also tow up to 11,000 pounds with delivery next year. The Cyberbeast has a claimed curb weight of 6,843 pounds, is also equipped with 20-inch wheels and seating for 5. It's unclear if Tesla's previously promised 6-seat, 3-cross-front variant will make it to production. Tesla Cybertruck accessories a week before the Cybertruck's final unveiling and first deliveries. Ex-user Tesla_app_iOS dug into some Tesla phone app updates and discovered more details about the car's production plans, including potentially available accessories and options. According to the leak, you'll be able to choose from different wheel options in different configurations. Additionally, the leak revealed a car hood with solar panels to collect energy while the vehicle sits in the sun, which is neat. There's also the option of a light bar upgrade and a bed-mounted, basecamp, inflatable tent unit that is said to include a mattress in the purchase price. The updated Tesla Cybertruck website details that the available integrated light bar can illuminate up to 525 yards ahead of the pickup, that the basecamp tent fits 2 adults and deploys in minutes, and that there's an option for a bed-mounted, covered spare tire. The aforementioned range extender option is also listed for AWD models. And a follow-up post from Tesla's SVP of powertrains on X confirmed that the extender is a toolbox-sized package that mounts in the bed of a pickup truck for extended range. Leaked web info suggests that the range-extending setup could cost $16,000 on top of the purchase price, but we'll have to wait to find out.